avoid that low-cost music production and effort in order to not get copywritten. But today, we're actually going to be doing a Genshin Impact Xiao inspired everyday makeup tutorial. So let's get started. I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction palette. Here it is, yes. And the first color we're going to be taking is the VR Fire Opal. We want to be recreating that bling bling primo gem color because it takes a lot of it in order to get Xiao. I'm going to be taking my fingers and putting the shade all over both eyelids and making sure that we really blend the color out. I'm using my fingers because this helps to give more pigment compared to using a brush. I'm taking the eyeshadow all the way to my brow bone since I do have hooded eyelids and I want to be able to show the color more. Next, we're going to be going in with Blitz Flame and taking a pencil brush or a flat shader brush, and we're going to be taking this color to recreate Xiao's iconic red eyeliner look. I usually start from the middle of my eye and follow my natural eye shape to the outer corners. I'm using a pretty light hand since I do want to have a more feathery look rather than a harsh line. And the key here is really to just blend until you get the shape that you prefer. I'm just taking my flat shader brush now, dipping it back into the palette so that I can get a more vibrant red color for the eyeliner. After I'm done with one eye, I'm just gonna rinse and repeat on the other eye. I just realized that I am now starting from my inner corners. So you know what? You really can just do whatever you need to do to get this look done. Sorry for losing it just now, but now we're gonna be taking a small Q-tip and cleaning up the ends of the eyeliner that we just created so that we get a more sharp cat eye look. Now we're going to be taking the same color Blitz Flame and lining the lower lash line just about 1/3 from the outer corner. Don't worry if you start crying, it's okay, I've cried multiple times because I don't have Xiao yet. Anyways, next we're going to be curling our eyelashes, getting them nice and perky for mascara. Don't worry if they're not perfectly curled because I'll show you a hack later. Alright, so remember when I said I had that hack? Here it is. You're gonna need a wooden toothpick and a lighter. And you're gonna light that baby up. But don't go too crazy. Just do it until the toothpick is slightly warmed. You don't want to burn your eyelashes off, you know? Then you're gonna take that toothpick and start at the base of your eyelashes as if you're about to put on mascara, but just wiggle the toothpick as you bring it to the tips of your lashes. The heat from the toothpick will help to curl your eyelashes while removing any clumps that you have. Alright, last eyeshadow step, we're gonna be taking Astral Luna Gold and putting this color in our inner corners to make our eyes boop. Once we're done with that, we're going to be going back to our mascara and putting it on the outer thirds of our bottom lashes. Don't be scared to layer your mascara on the lower lashes because Xiao does have a pretty thick line on his bottom lashes, so we're going to be trying to recreate that look. If your bottom lashes get a little too clumpy, you can go back and use that toothpick trick I showed you earlier and apply the same to your bottom lashes and wiggle that heated toothpick to remove some of the clumping. Just remember to be super careful and please don't burn your eyes. Please, because then you didn't hear that hack from me, okay? Shh. And that is the finished look. But wait, don't go! I have some dupes. We've got a dupe for the first shade that we use, the one that we use to look like a Primo Gem. Yes, it's by ColourPop. It's called Moonwalk. It's a slightly darker shade, but it's really, really pretty and it works. We've also got a dupe for the second shade that we use, the red color by Hikari. It is slightly darker than the shade we used from the Pat McGrath palette, but it is super pigmented. It works. Trust me. Let me show you. Yeah, so that's all I had. This is the Genshin Impact Xiao character inspired makeup tutorial for every day. I wear this to work. I wear this grocery shop. I wear this to eat dinner at home when my roommate cooks. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye!